Hey there, Jeffrey here again from Sephora Pro, and I'm here with Jackie.
That's me. Hi, I'm Jackie from the Play by Sephora team.
And we're here to talk about the February Playbox, and the theme is Feel the Love. So tell us, Jackie, what does that mean for you guys?
This month we're really focused on sharing all of our beauty loves with you guys. I think one of my favorite ways to share the love with the people in my life is to take some of the products from my Playbox and pass them out to my friends. So in that spirit, we've given you guys 2 lip products this month. We have never done this, and it's a great way to maybe share what you get in your box. If you get 2 lip colors and you think one really reminds you of your friend, give it to her, share the love.
It's a really great way to just surprise somebody and to spark a conversation about beauty, which we're all about for sure.
Totally.
Now, important to remember that there are multiple versions of the Playbox, so we're going to be talking about a lot of products in this video, but you're not going to get all of them. So be sure to hop online and fill out your Play survey so that way we can tailor this product specifically to you. Okay, I'm ready to talk about product. Let's jump right in.
Let's do it.
Since lips are a huge focus for February, I think we should start there.
The first one I'm so excited to talk about, the Sephora Collection Cream Lip Stain. I feel like everyone's talking about this right now.
Yes, and this color is like cult classic.
It's called Always Red. It's the perfect red. The great thing about Cream Lip Stain is it's so lightweight, but it lasts forever.
I definitely have to say it's one of our best sellers in store, and it's always a product that everyone wants.
It's perfect.
So this is from Fresh, and this is actually the Sugar Lip Treatment Sunscreen SPF 15 in Rosé. I always like to refer to this one as kind of like a tinted moisturizer, but for your lips. So it's a really sheer wash of color that's really great for kind of evening lip tone, but then you've also got amazing ingredients in here, like brown sugar, which is a natural humectant.
So moisturizing.
Yeah, love that buttery texture.
That's a great one. What's next?
Okay, next from Sephora Collection, we have the Ultra Shine Lip Gel in Perfect Nude, and it is literally just that.
It's perfect.
Yes, it's a great color that you can add to the center of maybe a deeper lip to add just a little dimension, or you can wear it on its own just to give yourself a sheer wash of color. Loving that shade.
And it smells so good, wears so comfortable.
So next up from NARS, we have one of my all-time favorite formulas to recommend to clients. I love this. This is the Velvet Matte Lip Pencil, and the color is Let's Go Crazy.
Such a fun name.
I love it. And it's got that full velvet matte texture. So when you apply it, it's going to last all day, and it really applies super easy because it's in a pencil form. And you're actually wearing it, yeah?
I am, yeah. I actually, when we first saw this, I was a little intimidated, but then you put it on me, and I was just shocked at how much I love it on myself. Just a super, super wearable, vibrant pink color. Next up is the Makeup Forever Artist Rouge Matte in M500. I love, 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 love this formula. It's so highly pigmented, so comfortable, and it's just that classic vampy red that I think is a really nice way for someone who loves a classic red to kind of amp up their look, try something unexpected, and this is actually shockingly wearable.
It gives it a little attitude.
Yeah,
I love that.
I'm a big fan of this one.
Yeah.
The next one is from Sephora Collection, and it's the Rouge Matte Lipstick in Rebel Chic.
Rebel Chic. I think the name says it all.
Yeah, and you know, even though it looks a little similar to the other one when it's in the bullet, it's actually this really light, sort of delicate wine shade. It's a little more sheer, but it still gives you that matte, extremely comfortable wear, which I love about these lipsticks.
Definitely another one of our best-selling formulas for sure.
So many good lip products, but I think it's time we should talk about eyes.
Yeah, how are you going to balance this out, right?
Let's do it.
First up, from Lancome, this is the Drama Liquid Pencil, and it is an extreme long-wear eyeliner, okay?
Love this
now,
one.
in the boxes, you're going to get one of 3 colors, Noir Intense, Côte d'Azur, which is a beautiful electric blue.
So pretty.
Great for the lower waterline. And then you also have Brûlée, which is kind of like a beautiful brown. This is a gel in liquid pencil, so it goes really quickly, swipes really easily. You get an ultra rich pigment with all of these shades, which is really, really nice.
Goes on so smooth.
Next up from Smashbox, we have the Cover Shot Eyeshadow Duo, and this is in Golden Hour, which is loving this shade way. It's got a really beautiful kind of like duochrome peachy color here, and then an awesome bronze that you can put just right in the roots of the lashes.
Obsessed. So flattering.
Now, I know you love the next one, so tell us a little bit about it.
Big fan. Our next one is from Laura Mercier, and this is the Caviar Stick Eye Color in Rose Gold. I love this eyeshadow stick. It's so creamy. It goes on so easy, and it's basically the most flattering color ever. I love this one at the end of the day when I'm feeling not myself. I'll put a little on my brow bones, a little on the inner corner of my eye, and I feel a little more awake, ready to go out, and it's super foolproof. Big one coming up next.
This one's a huge one for us, for sure.
I love this one. It is the Monsieur Big Mascara from Lancome, and I mean, this is just such a hot mascara right now. I love that we're including it in the box. The formula is perfect. You can layer, Try to make it clump, not gonna happen. The formula is so creamy, so black. The perfect brush to put this on with. It's big, it's juicy, you're gonna get every single lash. That's how you get that awesome volume, and I just love this one.
So next up from Clinique, we have the Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen. I love the brush tip applicator. I think that's one of my favorite parts about the product, is that it can give you a really full line if you want, or you can use just the tip to create a really micro fine precision if you're looking for. So if you want that full-on cat eye,
easy.
Or even just a tight line, you've got that option.
Okay, so next we have, I mean, it needs no introduction. It's Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I mean, cult classic doesn't even come close to describing this. One coat of this awesome black formula is just pretty much everything you need. The interesting thing about this is this hourglass-shaped brush.
Love that.
Curvaceous, hits every single lash, and that's how you get that show-stopping volume on your lashes.
All right, so let's jump into skincare. You know it's my jam category. I love it.
Same here. I love, love, love this first product from Pharmacy. It is their Green Clean Makeup Melt-Away Cleansing Balm with their proprietary complex Echinacea Green Envy. That's what gives it its nice green color here. I love a cleansing balm. You guys, if you're not double cleansing with a cleansing balm yet, give it a try. You will feel so clean. Your skin will feel so awesome afterwards. It really gets rid of everything on your face at the end of the day.
And it removes your makeup so much faster. So for those of you that are trying to just get to bed, it saves you time.
Saves a ton of time. And this one's got such a nice texture, and that Echinacea Green Envy is packed with antioxidants, so you're getting that anti-aging benefit as well, and it's just going to leave you feeling hydrated, clean, awesome, ready for bed.
So next up from Peter Thomas Roth, this is the Firm X Peeling Gel. Now this product is really cool.
So cool.
Yeah, this is like science in the bathroom.
We've been playing with this one.
Yeah, it's really deep.
Literally so fun.
So what you do is basically you're going to take a thin layer all over the face, and you kind of massage the product into the skin. And what happens is it actually starts to lift the dead skin cells.
So that's all dead skin. That's just getting lifted up.
And so when you wipe that away, you're left with really beautiful, kind of radiant, glowing skin that's left prepped and smooth for makeup application.
Really smooth.
Yeah, love it. Just gives you a really nice glow, really boosts that kind of radiance in the skin.
Love a good peel. And guys, don't forget, anytime you use a peel, the next day, wear SPF.
For sure. For sure.
We're just reminding you.
Cool. Okay, what's up next?
Next from First Aid Beauty, I love this mask. It is the Ginger and Turmeric Vitamin C Jelly Mask. And, you know, ginger and turmeric are superfoods. We're talking a lot about superfoods in skincare right now. These two are such powerhouse ingredients. They're going to revive the skin, energize it, and they both have vitamin C, which is great. We know that vitamin C is such a super ingredient for skincare. I like to use this if I'm waking up and I'm feeling a little sad in the skin.
Just to give your skin like a quick pick-me-up or a zing.
Yeah, it gives me that radiance, makes me feel luminous, beautiful, and it feels amazing.
Nice. Last up, we definitely want to not neglect the eye area, right? No. So this is from Belief, and this is the Moisturizing Eye Balm. This one's going to help to kind of plump the under eye area, smooth things out, and I think one of our favorite things about it is the texture, right?
It's this really lightweight hydration that, you know, feels amazing. It doesn't feel like you're wearing a ton of skincare product, but it hydrates instantly, and it's so lightweight, which I think makes it super great for under concealer.
Because it dissipates into the skin really quickly, right? So then you can go in with your concealer really shortly thereafter. Really quick for like a quick makeup application.
Big fan of that one. Let's talk about some beauty bonuses.
So first up, from Atelier Cologne, we have Vanille Encensé. Then after that, from Chloe, we have the Eau de Parfum. And then from Tory Burch, we have Love Relentlessly.
And then from Atelier Cologne, we also have Clementine, California. From Philosophy, we have Amazing Grace. And from Victor and Rolf, Flower Bomb. Okay, guys, don't forget, every month your play box comes with your play bag. This month's is our theme, Feel the Love.
Such a cutie.
And then, of course, never ever forget your playbook. This has everything you need to know about the products you're getting in your box. Tips, tricks, hacks from us. Definitely check it out. And this month we're doing something a little fun. We've given you a bunch of fun sort of phrases and affirmations, and you can actually cut out pieces of the back of your playbook, hand them out to your friends. It's a nice way to share the love this season. And don't forget, your book comes with your Play Pass, which is good for 50 extra Beauty Insider points with any in-store purchase.
And as always, we want to hear from you guys, so be sure to shout us out on social media at #SephoraPlay. For all of those unboxing videos, we love to see those. Keep them coming for sure. And let us know in the comment section below what products you're excited to try this month.
We love hearing from you guys. And you know, Jeffrey often responds to your
in the
comments.
Yeah. Just chilling, you know, hanging out. So as always, thanks for hanging out with us, and we'll see you next month for Sephora Play. Ciao!
take one, Mark.
I am Jackie from the Play by Sephora team.
Oh, go ahead.
Do you want to do that?
Yeah, totally.
I'm a perfectionist. It's not my fault.
You were born that way. It's our cream lip stain, and this is...
Bottle cap on the table.
That is my fault, honestly. Lo siento.
Picked some of the best formulas for this box, like for real.
No, it was me. I did all of it.
You did, literally? You chose all of them?
Totally. It was just all me.
Yeah. This is from Lancome, and this is the Drama Liquor. That was the weirdest fumble to pick that up. Did you see it?
If you're going to do it, Makeup Forever is who you should do it with. So, I mean, like, just trying to be positive. I love it. Keep going. Which is Echinacea Green Envy. I am gonna... This is...
Hashtag Sephora Play. Word. You heard?
Jeffrey, look at Jackie and just nod. Laugh. And then Jackie do the same. Okay. You guys and wave.
Oh, wait,
It's silent for no reason.
Honestly, the sound of the rain is so soothing.
It's very, yeah, it's very...
Don't you just, like... This is like an ASMR video.
We're actioning. We are action.
Okay.